everybody? Welcome back to another video. It's Yall and I was trying, guys. I hope you're having a very good morning so far, if not afternoon so far, guys. In this video, guys, I'm going to be talking about a very active water pattern that will take place. We're going to have a very strong cutoff low that will take place in parts of the southeast that will bring rainy conditions for days. And along with that, a huge warmer as we get in towards mid to late May. So you like these videos we do on my channel, guys, please hit that like button, subscribe, and let's get right into the video. So right now, not much going on right now, but we do got some showers and storms in parts of Mississippi and Louisiana, guys. Now it's working its way towards the northeast, guys, and I don't like, there we go. It's working its way towards the northeast, and that season will bring sandy. That season will bring some rain for y'all, guys. And along with that, Pacific Northwest, not much going on right now, just some clouds. And make disclaimer, guys, I am using a different mic right now, so you will hear beep sounds in my voice, background noise, so please be aware for that. So please ignore the background noise and the beep sounds, because I am losing a different mic, because my permanent mic did broke, so I'm losing a temporary mic, like my permanent mic. So, yes, showers and storms are parts of the northeast, guys. Nothing too severe anywhere, but since the U.S., guys, pretty quiet. As we got some ridge in place, not strong ridge in place, but kind of ridge in place, but nothing going on in the Midwest, in the plains. So now we do got severe weather for today. So let's get right into that. And it's parts of eastern North Carolina, in Virginia, in eastern Florida. So let's get right into that. So eastern North Carolina and Virginia, guys, there's two areas of lightning risk. A lightning risk of parts of northeast North Carolina and southeast Virginia, and east coast of Florida. You're undergoing severe weather with lightning risk. So please be aware for that. Damaging winds in large hills, possibly tornadoes could be possible. So, and also we got that large area margin risk too. So let's get right towards this. So, tornado threat, there's still a tornado threat, guys, in parts of Florida. Parts of the east coast of Florida, you got a 2% area risk for tornadoes. In the panhandle of Florida, you also got a 2% risk for tornadoes. Wind threat, still there, guys. Wind threat is a 50% risk of winds exceeding 15 knots or higher for parts of the east coast of Florida in that yellow area. And along with that, 15% risk of seeing winds 55 knots higher in that upper yellow area for parts of North Carolina and Virginia. And that widespread 5% risk that's around the east coast U.S. 5% risk of winds seeing 55 knots or higher. Hail threat, not still low, guys. East coast of Florida, 5% risk of hail seeing 1 inch or bigger. And parts of the east coast U.S. you also got a 5% risk of seeing hail 1 inch or bigger. And also eastern North Carolina and Virginia, you got a 15% risk of seeing hail 1 inch or bigger. So now we're gonna time everything out. What the weather gonna look like. Let's time everything out. So we're gonna lose the H-R model. And you can see, guys, out got towards the end of the day, guys, around 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, storms start firing up, guys, apart the east coast of Florida. These storms right here, guys, will be severe, so please watch out. Be on the lookout for severe storms. So if you live in parts of the east coast of Florida, these storms will be severe. So please be aware for that. That's why we got that sighted risk of severe weather. And look at that, guys. As we get towards later today, towards the nighttime hours, guys, the storms will diminish and goes away. Now let's get right to the weather pattern. What the weather's going to look for the next coming days. So by the time we get towards the rest of the day, guys, we're going to have a shower of storms in parts of the southeast. But look at this, guys. Here comes a cutoff low. It comes out low pressure that's going to start spinning up, and it will turn to a cutoff low and bring some very heavy rain for parts of the southeast, including Georgia, South Carolina, North Carolina. This low pressure will bring some heavy rains and thunderstorms in parts of the southeast, including South Carolina, North Carolina, Florida, Georgia, Alabama, Mississippi, and even Tennessee. Guys, you're gonna have some storms. And look at this. By the time we get towards next week, Monday, May 12th, guys, you can see we're gonna have some very strong heavy thunderstorms and probably some severe storms in parts of the east coast probably on Monday and Tuesday. Then that low pressure is out of here. And look at this, guys, and move towards the northeast and bring some heavy rain for y'all towards the northeast. Back towards the west, gonna have probably some snow in those higher elevations, those mountains. Then that low pressure working its way out of here, guys. By the time we get in towards late May, mid-May, guys, we're gonna have some showers and thunderstorms in parts of the southeast. And then possibly another storm system around the 18 and 19, guys. And this does look pretty strong storm systems too, guys. So probably another trough that will dip down. So probably some more severe weather parts of the southeast. A little bit too far out, so take it with a grain of salt. But the west gonna be pretty dry. The east U.S. gonna be pretty wet. By the time you get to the 20th, guys, that system is out of here. Some more showers and thunderstorms in parts of the southern plains and the plains. Then probably another storm system, some showers and thunderstorms in parts of the southeast again. Pretty dry again in the southeast again. By the time you get to the 23rd. And some showers and storms in parts of the Midwest on the 23rd. Trough 500 millbar height anomaly, guys. Not height anomaly, but wind speed, guys. Does show this too. So we will have this cutoff low that will be basically spinning up in the southeast, guys. It's gonna bring showers and storms and heavy rain. Then by the time you get towards the 13th, that cutoff low is still gonna be in place by the 13th, guys. But by the time you get towards the 14, guys, 14, 15, 16, guys, we're gonna have another trough that will dip down. This trough that will probably bring some severe weather for parts of the plains in the southeast. Then after that, guys, we got a much stronger trough, guys, and this trough will bring severe weather, guys. So this is a much bigger trough, you have to watch, guys. Look at this, very strong trough that's negative tilted, guys. We do have to watch the guns on severe weather for parts of the southeast once again. Probably Monday after next Monday. Too far out to here with a grain of salt, guys. But that is another storm system. Then it works its way towards the southeast and bringing some severe storms for y'all. So please be on the lookout for the severe weather, guys. A little bit too far out to take it with a grain of salt, guys. Now we're gonna go 500 mile height anomaly, guys, because temperatures will be warming up, especially getting towards next week, guys. It's gonna be very warm for parts of the southeast, if not hot for parts of the southeast. So how high is it gonna be? Well, we're gonna look at 500 mile height anomaly. So the red represents above average heights, warmer temperatures, and dry conditions, while the blue represents below average temperatures, wet conditions, and cooler temperatures. So not always, it don't always mean cool temperatures, but sometimes it does. So by the time getting towards this weekend, guys, that cutoff low is still gonna be in place. It's gonna be rigid in the north and troughing in the south. And that system working its way towards the north, guys. Here comes that cutoff low that moves towards the northeast, guys. After that, May 16th. First storm number 1, guys. Right here, storm number 1 is out. We got storm number 2 and storm number 3. So 2 is gonna work its way towards the northeast. And after that, we got storm number 3. That's gonna be working its way through, and storm number 3 will be pretty big. So look at that, guys. We got storm number 3, guys, coming through. Storm number 3 will probably bring up potential for our next severe weather outbreak with parts of the southeast again. And this section right here that I'm circling, you can see severe weather again, possibly around the week after next. Then that's storm number 3 working its way out of here, guys. We got storm number 4 and possibly storm number 5. Now we're gonna look at temperatures, because temperatures will be pretty warm. So we're gonna skip. So by the time getting towards this weekend, guys, temperatures is gonna be pretty warm throughout the weekend, guys, especially for parts of the northeast plains. Pretty warm. And look at this, guys, especially towards the plains. Look at this temperatures in Canada. You're seeing temperatures in Canada, guys, in the 90s. I mean, it's gonna be above average temperatures. Thanks for that rigid in place, guys. That rigid in place is gonna keep temperatures well above average. I mean, the southwest gonna be pretty warm, hot. I mean, it's gonna be warm, guys. But everywhere you see on this map, everywhere on this map is gonna be pretty warm. Everywhere on this map is gonna be pretty warm. Yeah, everywhere, see that. And by the time you're in towards Monday next week, guys, get ready for these hot temperatures going to start to get in, guys. And especially by the time you're getting towards Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Look at this, guys. Here come these hot temperatures going to start kicking in, guys. By the time you're in towards next week, and the next week, guys, that's when this warm is going to get here, guys. For parts of the southeast. Very, 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 very warm temperatures for parts of the southeast. Right down towards Florida, guys. It's going to be a hot one for parts of Florida. Temperatures going to be possibly in, in the upper 80s, low 90s for y'all. Now temperatures anomalies. Temperatures anomalies very, very blizzard next week. Look at this. Temperatures anomalies next week for parts of the southeast. Going to be seeing about hours temperatures for y'all. I mean, look at this. Before that cold front gets here, guys, you're going to see some above hours temperatures. And once that cold front comes through, we're going to have a slop of below hours temperatures for parts of the south. And now below hours temperatures will come through. So please be aware for that. Now, how much rain we're going to see now until May 6-15? Well, because of that low pressure, guys, going to be a wet one for parts of the southeast. You can see anywhere from 4 to 6 inches of rain, guys. Probably some isolated pockets of to 8 to 9 inches of rain. So please be aware for that. GFS model showing the same thing. This is still rendering. Okay, GFS is still rendering, but still showing the same thing on GFS model. A wet one for y'all for parts of the southeast. GFS is showing anywhere from 4 to 6 inches of rain, some isolated 6 to 8 inches of rain in some isolated areas. So please be aware for that. Now, climate prediction, guys. Because of this, guys, between May 14 and May 18, guys, we're gonna have that strong heat wave it's gonna come through, guys. Yes, it's gonna be a wet one for you, or a hot one for y'all. So the eastern U.S. is gonna be pretty above average temperatures, while the western U.S. is gonna be below average temperatures. Precipitation gonna be a wet one for majority of the whole U.S. except Florida and the Southwest and California. So the southeast and the Ohio Valley, guys, gonna see some above average temperatures. Even the plains in the west gonna see some above average precipitation. 8 to 14 day outlook. May 16 to May 22. Well, so we're still gonna see above average temperatures in lane for parts of the eastern U.S. The central. The plains are going to see some below average temperatures, while the west is going to see some above average temperatures. Precipitation rise. Well, the whole central U.S. is going to see above average temperatures. Not temperatures. Precipitation. While the Florida probably going to see some below average precipitation, while the west is going to see some below average precipitation. Well, it's going to be it for this video, guys. If you like it, please hit that like button, subscribe, and I'll see you on my next video. Peace.